In this problem, you'll still see that we're solving when we have two variables, x and y. When I look at these two problems, I'm going to try using elimination again. 2 does not multiply to 3, and 7 does not multiply by 5, and vice versa for both of them. When this happens, we have to multiply both the top and the bottom by a number to cancel either out the x's or the y's. 2 and 3 both go into 6. So I'm going to try to make the top one a negative 6 and the bottom one a positive 6. The parentheses are on both of them. You could have 7 and 5 for y, but I'm going to cancel out my x's. If I want to make the top one a negative 6, that means my entire equation has to get multiplied by a negative 3. If I want to get the bottom one to be a positive 6, I have to multiply it by 2. I'm going to write my new equations over here. Multiply the top one by negative 3 and you get negative 6x plus 21y equals 12. On the bottom, you get positive 6x plus 10y equals negative 10. Now on the top, you need to multiply by negative 3, so you'll have a negative 6x minus 21 and a negative 12. Make sure you multiply correctly. So negative 6, negative 21, negative 12, because we multiplied by a negative 3. The reason we did that is because I wanted to get the x's to cancel out. Negative 6 and a positive 6 cross off, and negative 21 and a positive 10 is a negative 11y. Negative 12 and negative 10 is a negative 22. Divide by negative 11 and y is 2. Take this and plug it back into either of the equations. If you were back on your steps from the previous page, we've already done step 1, we've already done step 2, now we're subbing it back in to find the other missing variable. Once you get y equals 2, I'm going to plug it into the top one. You could plug it into the bottom one. So we're going to plug it in for y instead of x because it's a y value. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract 14, you get negative 10. Divide by 2, x is negative 5. Write your answer as an ordered pair, negative 5, 2. You could plug that in, negative 5 in for x and 2 in for y, and you will see on the top equation, the left will be 4, and the bottom equation, the left should equal negative 5.